Now what happens, see, all the deoxygenated blood from the lower body, from the lower part of the body, is brought to the right auricle from inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body. Superior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body. Okay, this deoxygenated blood enters the right auricle. This right auricle was in relaxed state, but now all the blood is coming inside it and it is filling its space. When the limit will cross, when it can no more hold the blood, what it will do? It will send the blood to right ventricle. The right auricle will send the blood to right ventricle. How it will send? By opening this tricuspid wall. This tricuspid wall will open. When it will open? When the auricle will contract. Okay, what happens when the blood from these vena cavas enter here and this auricle contracts? Auricle contracts means it will undergo systole. I told you, systole means contraction. So there will be auricular systole. Auricular systole means auricle will contract. So this auricular systole opens this tricuspid wall and the blood enters right ventricle. Now when the blood is reaching to the ventricle, this auricle is relaxing. Okay, this relaxation is known as diastole. So again the auricle will undergo auricular diastole. Clear? It contracted, it underwent systole, the blood flowed to the ventricle. When the blood was flowing to the ventricle, it was slowly relaxing, therefore it is called as auricular diastole. Now this ventricle will contract because it has filled the space with blood. It can no more hold that blood, so that blood will push, or that blood will be pushed to this pulmonary artery. This ventricle will undergo systole. Ventricular systole will be there. Ventricular systole means ventricle will contract and it will send the blood through pulmonary artery to the lungs. When the blood will move to the pulmonary artery, it will slowly relax and that will be known as ventricular diastole. Clear till this? Okay, clear till this right side?